Names and name ranges helps us in assigning names to specific cells or columns or rows. By default, when you select a cell, you'll see the name of that cell, which is cell B2. Using names and name ranges, you can assign a name or your name, a name that you want to a cell or a group of cells. For example, if I want to get the total value or the sum for January to December for product 1, I could use the auto sum, which is down here. Press auto sum, then enter, and this is sum of the cells B2 to B13. This is the sum of the cells B2 to B13. Now we could replace the cell reference B2 to B13 by using the name product 1. There are rules in giving names in Excel. The first rule is there is no space in a name. 2, you can't use special characters. 3, you can't start a name with a number. Now for this case, if I want to give a name to the cell B2 to B13, I instead select the cells that I want, then go to the name box, then type product 1. You could alternatively use product underscore 1 for a name. That is the first method. The second method is using the name manager. So go to formulas, then name manager, and create a name, a new name. You can edit an existing name or delete a name that is on your workbook. So for this example, I want to give a name to product 2, so I'll click new. Then by default, Excel will detect that I want to give a name to product 2. I'm going to instead name this as product 2. Then the scope is the cells C2 to C13, that is January to December. Then you can give optional comments there and click OK. Now using that in a formula, you can now type is equals to sum, and you can see from the name box or the defined area, defined names area, you can pick the name that you want, which is product 1, and you can close, but Excel will close to you, get 34,783. You could also type the entire name by typing equals to sum. Then I'll type products, so I'll pick product 2 like that, close the bracket, and do that. By default, names that are given from the name box or the name manager are scoped across the worksheet, such that if I create a new sheet and I want to get the total analysis for product 1 and product 2, I'll come here and type product 1, then copy this down to product 2, then sum of product 1 is equal to sum, then I can type product 1 like that, because that name is available in the sheet that I named that name from or future sheets I create. Thanks for watching.